Hey, I'm Shelby, and today we're going to be making bacon Brussels sprouts, one of my favorites and my family's. You'll need 1 bag of Brussels sprouts and a pack of bacon if you'll be adding bacon. You can use any kind of Brussels sprouts. The already pre-cut ones are great. I would stay away from frozen ones.
Right, so next I'm going to cut the Brussels sprouts in half. You can leave them whole if you like, but I like cutting them in half just because it's not such a big Brussels sprout. Plus you get more. So we're going to do the bacon for the Brussels sprouts. Now you don't have to have bacon in it, but we love bacon and it always gives it such a yummy flavor. So I'm going to cut these up pre-cooked so that way they'll be good to go. And this is all natural, no sodium nitrate in it, and all that good stuff. Now, if you're not using bacon, you are definitely going to want to use butter in your pan. Otherwise, there's not going to be anything for these babies to get nice and crispy with. All right, let's do some chopping. I'll turn on the heat to probably about medium-high and let the bacon cook. All right, so now the Brussels sprouts are in the same pan that the bacon was cooking, so there's a little bit of bacon fat on the bottom to give it some flavoring, and I added a teeny bit of butter because the bacon actually didn't have a lot of grease on it. So now they are cooking on medium and they're going to brown, and then I will add the bacon back into it and then some Parmesan cheese. You can also add a little bit of heavy whipping cream or milk to it. I usually use almond milk because I try to stay away from a lot of dairy, and since I have the Parmesan cheese in it, that's going to be the dairy there. So we'll be back. Bacon back in to let it cook just a little bit before we add the cheesy goodness. So I've added the Parmesan cheese. It's the finely grated, and that's what I use to mix to make the yummy sauce, and a teeny bit of milk. And now I'm also going to add shredded Parmesan on top to make it a little gooier for cheese. And then it is done and ready to go. And I have turned off the heat so that way it doesn't cook anymore. And they are pulled out of the oven. As you can see, they are starting to brown and pull away. Yep. So I believe they are done. And then here are our finished Brussels sprouts with the bacon and cheese. And then of course we have some baked beans, twice baked potatoes, and then cauliflower potatoes. And that is what is for dinner. Yum.
It looks yummy.